tomorrow you go to a showroom of Ferrari, and then you go to them and tell them ki, hey, I'll help you build a brand, I will help you get the exposure, I'll get you more sales, please have me a meeting with the manager. Chances are high that they won't entertain you, because you are going to tell them the same thing that everybody is doing. They must be listening this everywhere, that we can grow your online presence, we can grow your sales, and so. But now you are the same person, but just change the message. You go to them and you tell them, I am Vidhi and I am from the Yacht Owner Association. We have 5,000 yacht owners, and out of those, we are thinking to fit a luxury sport car into their yacht. How would be the situation if we consider getting this car for their yacht? Now ask yourself, will they entertain you?
Yeah, the chances increase.
Chances will be very high that okay, they will welcome you, because now you have changed the way they are going to perceive things.